In this video, we are going to talk about select the HTML element with ID or with classes and then add some style. And so first of all, we have to talk a little bit about the ID and the classes. The ID is unique in a page, so you cannot have multiple elements with the same ID. But for the classes, you can have multiple elements such as this with the class, which is card. So classes can apply on multiple elements. So the ID selector is to select the specific element with ID attribute, and to select the ID element, for example, if we want to select this my name, then we have to use the hashtag and then paste the name, and this ID name is my name, and then we can add some style inside this curly bracket. And for the class selector, the class selector is to select the element with the class. For example, we have the class which is card, then we can use the dot card to select the card element and then add some styles on it. So now back to the page, you can see we have these classes and also the ID. So now we are going to demonstrate how to add the style. So first of all, we can go to the style sheet and then select my name, and then we can set the background colors of blue, and then we set the colors to be white, and then we can set the font size of 50 pixels, and then we can go to the card and select this style. We copy this and paste here. Now you can see some card style, but we can also add some padding that we will talk about later. And then we can also again make the font size to be 50 pixel. Now you can see it much more like a card, and we can also set some margin of 10 pixel. So you can see there is space in between the cards, and we will talk about the paddings and margin later.